Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a wig review on the Outre lace front wig. This is the Lysette wig. So before we move forward, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can see my weekly videos. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alrighty, so the name of this wig from Outre lace. This is an Outre lace front. Yes. The name of this is Lysette. And it is DR Honey Auburn. And I know it says $40, but I didn't pay $40. I know this was like under $30. Around $30, $40. That's how much it was. It was one of those too. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see up close. Let me take it out. Miss Lysette. So I already kind of tried the wig on a little bit. And I like this color. Now the last wig that I did with Outre was, it was an ashy blonde, and I was kind of nervous. So I feel like this one's gonna be nice and cute. This is what the picture looks like too. So like, this is the side and the bike. And that is what it looks like there. This is a Swiss lace middle part. And it takes up to 400, like with the flat iron. So, I'm gonna pop this, pop this baby off of here. And we're gonna try this boy on, okay? So, this wig, okay, I'm gonna have to push this back. I'm gonna cut my lace and everything, guys. I just need to see what this boy look like. Okay. I like this color. Brush it out a little bit, let you see the bottom. Let you see that. I like this goes good with my skin. Sometimes I get so scared of these wigs, y'all, and I just be like, I don't know. This is a lot. I'm risking it all. But I like it though. I like that the curls are nice and soft, like a little beach wave curls. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace off and everything. Alrighty, so this is what the wig looks like. I like the wig. I really like the curls. I like how it's like even all the way around. This is what the back looks like. It's just like really beachy and like really wavy. And I just I really like that. I really like the color. I really like how it complements my skin, and I didn't have to do too much to this lace part. I'm not a big fan of doing the whole laying the lace down, especially for like more of the synthetic type wigs. This is a synthetic type wig, and I really like this. I think Outre did a great job with this wig. I really feel like, you know, if you're into the wigs, I feel like you should look at it, try it out, see how you like it, slap it on, you know, make a few edits to it so that it can look like, you know, some good hair. Not saying that, you know, it's not in good hair, but you know what I mean. Like, you know, it lays nice and flat. I have 4 braids up under here and my cap, and I feel like it's really good. So I think y'all should leave me some comments down below. I really like this wig. Seriously, I like it. I like how it looks, like, you know, on the sides. It's straight to the point. Like, I really like this. I really like this. I put a little bit of oil on there just to give it that glossy look, because sometimes some of these wigs are a little dry, and I just think it's like very important for you to give it like that little shine. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe this video, and turn on your notification bell so you can see my weekly videos. I'll drop 2 videos, one on Wednesday and one on Saturday, so be tuned. I love you boys and beauties, and I cannot wait to see y'all next time. Bye.